Restorations come to us in many shapes and sizes, and this lovely little Figaro, Precious, was brought to us by the Harrisons, a loving husband that wanted to secretly restore the Figaro for his wife. She thought it was just being serviced. Initially, we start by stripping the car right down, going through the mechanicals. We want to make sure the car's reliable, as well as just looking good. Then it's on to the bodywork. In order to do a really nice paint job, the preparation is key. And this little Figaro, like many, sadly was infested with the dreaded rustworm. You can see here, just on the boot area, we rebuilt all the suspension turrets, part of the floor, and the complete lower step. Once all the fabrication was done, it was time for Elliot to do his magic and put a beautiful coat of pale aqua paint back on Precious's bodywork. After days of work in the oven, it's time to finally reassemble the car. Weeks go into this with new clips, new fixings, carefully cleaning, restoring every part that goes back on the car. And then onto the interior, again fully put together with new parts and new trim, leather and carpets. And so the final step in this process is that we'll spend a couple of days going around the car, checking it. I get the envious position of being able to go out and do this road test, actually put the roof down for the first time this year. But this car's a pleasure to drive. It's quiet, it's silky smooth, and it's really, really nice to drive. A lovely, enjoyable place to sit. So just imagine how you'd feel. Your car, your beloved little Figaro, goes in for just a service, and then it comes back looking, smelling, feeling like this. Let's have a look round it and check some of the bits out now they're finished. And then, of course, the greatest part of all, seeing Precious go all the way back, carefully transported back to the Harrisons, and then tucked away back in their garage, ready to use all summer long. See you guys.